Hello, in this video I'm with the JBL Endurance Race earbuds and I'm gonna show you how easily you can pair them with any Android phone or Android tablet. Okay, so first of all you have to remember to input the both earbuds inside this charging case and charge them at least for the 30 minutes by using this USB-C port. Next, when you do this, just simply remove left and also the right earbud. Right now you have to take a look for, we have to take a look for all these indicators that appears right here. So right now they are blinking blue, and after a few moments they will start synchronize and starts blinking quickly. So it means that right now they are synchronized and they are in the pairing mode. So we have to put them close to our Android device. And we have to simply navigate to the settings. If you don't have this quick notification, I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. So simply open the Bluetooth on your phone, then turn it on by tapping on the switcher, and then select JBL Race True Wireless Sound Earbuds. Don't pick this one, the left earphone, just pick both. So click once, accept the pairing. As you can see right now we are successfully connected, and in the next step you have to open the Play Store and download the JBL headphones application. So we have to type JBL headphones and we have to get that app. Just click install, and thanks to this application you will find more features of your earbuds. For example, you will be able to use sound equalizer, you will be able to check the serial number and adjust other modes. So right now when you download this application, just open it, and right now you have to accept all permissions that you have on your screen. So just click allow all the time, and as you can see, when we previously connect our earbuds by using the standard Bluetooth settings, we can find our earbuds are right here in the application, so we don't have to do this pairing process for another time. So just click to get started, and here we can find the quick guide, but I'm gonna skip it actually. I'm gonna click later in the right upper corner, and as you can see right here we are successfully connected. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.